You have got rice, which is bland, chickpeas, which are bland, and potatoes, which are bland. 50 minutes is a long time to wait for something, and maybe just a bowl of aioli or something like that, just to give us an idea, a bit more skill.
Yeah.
Stan, what are you cooking, please?
So I'm cooking a meaty fenugreek-flavoured chicken sitting on a bed of tomato chutney with crispy onions on top, with tandoori-flavoured vegetables. What I've done is actually boil some water, butter, sugar, add the tandoori, and as the water evaporates, you get a sort of a glaze of tandoori, which is the sort of kind of glaze you get on top of a tandoori chicken.
I have to tell you, it smells fantastic.
Thank you.
We have meaty chicken, fenugreek. Fenugreek being a really strong spice, and it's a cross between aniseed and caraway together. When that's cooked up, it's fantastic. Then he has got with that what he calls tandoori-flavoured vegetables, and in there, he's got little boiled potatoes, baby carrots, and small courgettes. He says all that liquid's going to evaporate and you're going to have a lovely glaze on the outside like you get from a tandoor oven. Fascinating.
Nothing like leaving it to the last minute, is there?
Interior designer Michelle has cooked a baked Spanish rice dish of belly pork, black pudding, potatoes and chickpeas, flavoured with paprika and Spanish saffron.
The pork belly is cooked perfectly. There's a little crispy on the outside. The fat on it is soft. Your rice is really fine. It's not sticking together. Potatoes are soft. Black pudding, giving that real earthy richness to it, as well as a hint of saffron, little hint of chilli as well. I really do like it very much.
You have got rice, which is bland, chickpeas, which are bland, and potatoes, which are bland. And you've had to put in huge amounts of seasoning to make sure they all come alive. And I think you've done it really, really well. But 50 minutes is a long time to wait for something, and maybe just a bowl of aioli or something like that, just to give us an idea, a bit more skill.
Yeah.
Sales executive Mike has made pork tenderloin wrapped in prosciutto, served with parmesan-flavoured polenta, garlic puree, apple and pea sauce, and finished with a bone marrow and port jus.
Your pork is cooked well. I'm loving the salt the prosciutto around the outside is giving it. Really taken with the idea of apple and pea, because they're both sweet. Apple is a slightly sharper sweetness. And I'm impressed by the look of your dish and the work you've done here. You've packed some really good contrasting spices and flavours into this, from sweet, smoky, hot, backed up with really good texture of vegetables and chicken. This tomato chutney is powerful. I mean, that properly finishes with a kick. And then if you want some respite from that, you've got a little bit of minty yoghurt on the side there. My tongue is dancing right now.
The first person getting an apron and going straight through. Stan. Great flavours, great cooking, and really interesting. Well done. The second cook going straight through and getting themselves an apron. It's Mike. Good on you. You three cooked pretty well. The simple fact is we've only got 2 aprons to give.
The contestant leaving the competition is Christian.